I'd like to introduce the industrial quality door alarms. We've listened to your feedback and we have significantly upgraded our sensors. The first thing is the quality of the connector itself. It's a high quality gold-plated connector that requires a significant amount of force to install or remove to reduce the risk of you accidentally unplugging the connector. However, if you do accidentally disconnect it, we've modified door alarm, the motor monitor door alarm, so that it will actually alert you that there has been a break in the circuit. So it's basically a default alarm on fail. The second thing is the sensor itself. It's supplied with a stainless steel armoured cable for the last length to reduce the risk in the area around your door where there's a higher risk of impact damage. The sensor is potted in epoxy in a metal container along with the actual magnet so that they are protected or have a reduced risk of impact damage. We've also supplied them with a set of VHB quality tape that will enable you to initially position the sensors and the magnets in the right place, but also self-locking stainless nuts and bolts for a more permanent installation. The kit also comes with cable ties, and you can affix those using these adhesive cable tie mounts onto your vehicle. Now, once you've installed that first sensor, the idea is to pick the door that's closest to the front of your vehicle. The sensor cable is 3 meters in length, and for most vehicles, we know that that will be long enough. But if it's not, feel free to purchase an extension cable, a 2-meter extension cable, to make sure that you can reach that first door. On the end of this sensor is an extender into which you will plug your next sensor cable. So you can effectively daisy chain them from one door to the next. So for most of you, the single port door alarm will be enough because you just want a single alarm for any of those doors when they're open. Daisy chain them along from one door to the next, and when you get to the final door, complete it off with this loop back cable at the end of that daisy chain. So that's our sensor, the industrial quality door alarm sensor.